How to fix NBA Live app crashing on mobile. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Solution 1. Update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your App Store. Now search for the app NBA. Once app appears, at the right corner of the app you will find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once you do that, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 2. Clear cache for the app. For that, open your settings. Now scroll down. Go ahead and click on the option of General. Now open this option iPhone Storage. In this page, you will be able to find all the apps that are installed in your device. Head towards the app NBA. Open it. Now click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app will clear cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. After completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If you still encounter this issue, you can apply solution 3. That is, you have to completely remove this app from your device and reinstall it. So go ahead and click on the option of Delete app. Click on Delete app. Once you delete this app from your device, you can close this. Launch your App Store, search for the app NBA. Once app appears, install it. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix NBA Live app crashing on mobile. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.